Hello everyone, this is Reena. Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we will discuss CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. This is advanced programming which is used to decorate your web page using style sheet. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It means here the purpose of cascading means we should use some layers of tag. A style sheet means it is a programming sheet which we can insert in our web page. We can save it in a separate file and link with web page, and we can also use some styles in inline with the tag. The different advantages of CSS is as follows. First, CSS saves time. It means HTML web pages is used to display the information in attractive and interactive way. So, by using the style sheet, we can save our time to decorate a web page. The next, it loads the page very fast. It means using a inbuilt decoration with the HTML file, it takes time to load from the web server. But by using the CSS file, we are capable to load it fast because of its decoration file is separated in a other file. Easy maintenance. According to the hierarchical structure, it is very easy to maintain the decorated file and separate the data file with each other. Superior style for HTML. It performs various attributes and tags to make our HTML web page more attractive. It gives a better look to our web page. Multiple device compatibility. It means the CSS file is compatible with multiple devices like desktop, laptop and mobile. Global web standards. It means web page is used to access globally, and we can use the CSS file also to access the HTML file globally. Next, let us discuss about the founder of the CSS and its version. CSS created by W3C, where the W3C stands for World Wide Web Consortium. It is a group of scientists who is regularly working on development of a web page. The CSS working group creates a document called specification. When a specification has been discussed and officially ratified by the W3C members, it becomes a recommendation. The World Wide Web Consortium or W3C is a group that makes recommendation about how the internet works and how it should involve. The different version of CSS. Cascading Style Sheet CSS1 came out of W3C as a recommendation in December 1996. And after that, we are getting another two versions. This version describes the CSS language as well as the simple visual formatting model. The CSS2 became a W3 recommendation in 1998 and builds on CSS1. This version adds supports for multimedia specific style sheet, printers and oral devices, downloaded fonts and elements positioning and table.